guys, this is Drew Baird from Moon Audio, and I'm at the LA Audio Fest, and we're going to be talking about some new MyTek products. I'm with Shabran from MyTek, and he's going to tell us about the new Manhattan II, as well as talk a little bit about the Brooklyn. It's been out for a little while now, so it's not so new, but he's going to give us a little bit about the differences between the Brooklyn and the Manhattan, and also we're really excited about the new Brooklyn amp, a 2-channel, 300 watt per channel, Class D amp to go with your Brooklyn. So now you can run a bunch of speakers as well. So tell us a little bit about the products.
Hey, really glad to be here. Moon's been supporting us since the debut of our Stereo 192 DSD DAC for more than 5 years, and keeping the partnership going. I'm standing here and wanted to tell you about what makes MyTek stuff so great right now. As mentioned, this is the Manhattan II. This is the upgraded from the Manhattan I. The Manhattan I was built basically as an extension to explore how much further we could go from the Stereo 192 DSD DAC. And all the innovations that we put into the Manhattan I is what we were able to derive and scale down for the Brooklyn. And so that's having a femto clock, that's really exploring like how to have better like power, ideas for integrating a switching power supply into the Brooklyn to make things easier, and exploring kind of a topology of like a really fast, clear, strong sound. The phono preamplifier that we initially designed and made as an option card for the Manhattan I is what we distilled down and put into the Brooklyn. And so with the Brooklyn that's been out just for a little bit more than a year now, it's been a really great product in the marketplace, and we had a lot of great feedback from it. And now we wanted to take everything that is the Brooklyn and make that next big step up, and that represents the Manhattan II. The big differences between the Manhattan II and the Manhattan I are that this is fully MQA compliant, so that is able to play PCM from 44.1 to 384 kilohertz MQA, as well as DSD256. The sound quality of the Manhattan has been greatly improved, specifically by using Saber's latest chip, which is an incredibly difficult 8-channel chip to use, and it made us really challenge our design flexibility to see what we could get out of it, and the sound that we did achieve really was worth the effort. It's very muscular, very thick and fluid. At the same time, it still has that great accuracy that MyTek's known for, but now it has this kind of a girth of sound that you would expect from like analog. Beyond that, the new analog preamplifier in here is greatly updated. It's a brand new design. If you're looking for a preamp for your 2-channel system and you want something that's world-class in a much more compact package, the Manhattan II is going to serve you just fine. It's going to be really special, and people are already loving it a lot. And so that takes care of like our high-end world, our reference land of Manhattan II, but for all of our customers that have been enjoying the Brooklyn and new customers looking at us, we're interested in exploring a very kind of pared down, clean, minimal aesthetic, and that's why we made the Brooklyn amp. This is not a simple product that we just kind of banged away. We've been researching and wanting to do something like this for a number of years now, and we built it on Class D. Typically, Class D hasn't had a lot of sense of having a great thickness of sound, a really big sound, but this version of the Class D, through our development, really has something that rivals what we think is Class A or even Trio designs. It's a very compact, powerful design. The Manhattan amp, or the Brooklyn amp weighs 6 pounds. It's dual mono, 300 watts per side, and pre-orders are starting today. You can talk to our guys here, Drew and Moon, and they'll get you sorted right up, and they'll be shipping in July. We're really excited to hear what everyone has to say about it, and we think it looks beautiful.
And the only last thing I would add is also the new Manhattan also has a network card that can be added to it, so that you can make it an endpoint for your Roon system. So you can do network audio with it as well, which is a really nice new feature that I'm looking forward to playing around with. So thank you so much, Ron. And that's MyTek at LA Audio Show.